back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I know a lot of you are looking for part-time work, so that is what I have in this video. I think I have 6 different remote jobs, all hiring part-time. These are going to be for the United States only. However, if you are one of my international viewers, check out my website. It is linked in the YouTube description box below, and in the site navigation where it says work from home jobs, there should be drop downs with categories. I have added an international category, and I did add an international job earlier today. I don't have as many international viewers, so I didn't feel that it was worth making a whole video on that one job, which is one of the benefits of the website. I can get out more job leads for you. So if you're an international viewer, go check that out. But diving right on in for my US people, we have the company Living Proof. Now, Living Proof only has 46 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a 2.8 out of 5-star rating. So as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But this one is a little bit different and exciting, so I wanted to share. They are looking for a TikTok content creator. This is going to be a temporary part-time position, but they are actually paying hourly for this position. So they're basically looking for somebody to create a variety of content for their Living Proof's social media channels with a strong focus on those TikTok videos and Instagram Reels. You're going to be partnering with social media managers to plan and create this content, as well as the day-to-day operations that are needed for those social media accounts. So you need to be comfortable, experienced in creating videos featuring yourself. You will actually be in some of the videos like hair tutorials, product information, demonstration videos, viral trending videos. If you've not heard of Living Proof before, they are a hair product company. They're sold in Sephora. I have personally used some of their products before, but you'll monitor and share digital trends with competitive landscapes, just informing of ongoing TikTok strategy. Best thing about this, they are paying anywhere from $16 to $18 an hour. So you don't get paid based on how many views the video gets or how well it does. You're paid a straight hourly rate, but they are looking for somebody who is pursuing a bachelor degree in marketing or communications, someone who's an active user on social media platforms, specifically TikTok, and someone who can do that video editing. If filming yourself in TikTok is not your thing, that's okay. We are moving on. Next up, we have the company YouScience. YouScience has 35 reviews on Glassdoor. Even though they have a low number of reviews, the people who have reviewed them are very fond of them. They come in at a 4.8 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a part-time remote customer support associate. Now, YouScience is a company that's focused on solutions in the education and workforce development sector, so helping people develop themselves. And they're basically looking for somebody to provide that customer support for the YouScience client base, which is primarily going to be educators, teachers, people who work in that education space, or counselors. You're going to have to understand the challenges that teachers and students are facing, and we are motivated to solve their problems quickly. So you're going to respond to all the customer service inquiries through online chat, telephone, or email in a helpful and timely manner, just solving all of their issues with a positive attitude and enthusiasm. You'll document these interactions that you have with them into the customer system, capturing any feedback or suggestions that they have. So you'll record and report any customer issues, adhering to any internal processes. You're going to be doing things like account creation, data entry, sending onboarding emails, and just performing any other duties as needed. Now, no college degree is needed with this one, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 3 years of customer service experience. But they do want somebody who can work the business hours of 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So no weekends are needed, but if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. be a team player, and have great communication skills. Now, unfortunately, this company did not list the pay in their job description. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. Pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do list their benefits, and they offer medical, dental, vision benefits, paid time off, and 401k. Next up, we have another company that's very highly rated. The company Steno has 38 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a virtual tech assistant part-time remote. Now, this one is going to be a little bit different. They're looking for somebody who is tech savvy to have live Zoom and video conferencing calls to help people troubleshoot their issues. So this is going to be a little bit different of a customer service job because people are going to be seeing you face to face. I know a lot of us, when we like to work from home, we don't want to have to get dressed up. We don't want to have to fix our hair. We want to work in our pajamas. And when you're dealing with customers based over camera, you might not be able to do that. But if you're fine with it, or you're one of those people who get up and get dressed every morning anyway, even if you're not leaving your house, they are looking for somebody to provide that face-to-face on-camera technical video and audio support during remote depositions, troubleshooting any audio and video issues for their client in real time. You'll organize all documents needed for virtual depositions. And I'm sorry I didn't say it before. This is a court reporting firm. So you're going to have like lawyers and clients doing video conferencing depositions, and they need everything to run smoothly. So you will be there troubleshooting any tech issues so that it goes smoothly. You will ensure that the clients are comfortable using the platform, answering any technical questions that they have. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer service experience with 1 year using some kind of video conferencing system like Zoom, WebEx, things like that. Somebody who is highly attentive and detail-oriented, and somebody who can work at least 20 hours a week, Monday through Friday. They do want somebody who has 6 months at least experience working from home already, but pay is $20 an hour. Moving right along, we have DDI, or Development Dimensions International. They have 325 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a part-time customer support associate. Now, they do have some state restrictions. They're posted right at the top here. But they're basically looking for somebody to answer those client questions. You'll actively monitor and respond to support requests across all of their support channels, which includes telephone, live chat, email, and the online support portal. You're going to be that first point of contact for people diagnosing and resolving any of their issues. You'll do some technical troubleshooting, and you'll answer any customer inquiries that they have about billing materials, product information, service complaints, just anything at all that they are calling about. Now, you will have to make note of the things that you're seeing, identify any trends, and escalate those trends up to your supervisors. Now, they only require 1 to 3 years of help desk, call center, or some kind of customer service experience, great communication skills, and someone who can be empathetic and patient with those customers. You got to be a problem solver, and you've got to be proficient at using those Microsoft Office systems. And unfortunately, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Now, I've shared Underdog Fantasy on this channel before. They are an online gaming and betting company. They have 33 reviews on Glassdoor with a perfect employee satisfaction rating of 5.0 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a part-time customer support associate. But they're basically looking for somebody to approach those user inquiries with a cool, open-minded approach. You've got to remember, these are people that are going to be betting on sports, so this is like a gambling environment. You're going to gather information from users in order to efficiently reach resolutions for them by cross-collaborating with the teams in other departments. So you're going to assist with account and payment reviews in order to make sure that they're appropriately using the Underdog platform as it was intended to be used. So you'll have to have a positive attitude and deliver that great customer support. It's all done through email, so this is completely non-phone, just addressing any queries they have related to their account management or their financial transactions. They're looking for somebody who can be flexible and work both weekday and weekend hours. Someone who can find solutions, so someone who's a problem solver, someone who can be a team player, and someone who is a curious learner. You want to learn new things and acquire new knowledge. Now, it says you get bonus points if you have a bachelor degree, but that is not required, and pay for this position is going to be $20 an hour. Next up, we have the company FoodCorps. Now, FoodCorps has 79 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. And they are hiring a part-time accounts payable clerk. So if you're not into customer service, maybe this one is for you. Pay is anywhere from $26 an hour all the way up to $31 an hour. Now, FoodCorps is a company that partners with schools and communities to nourish kids' health, education, and make sure that the kids have a sense of belonging in every school. So they are looking for somebody to help their accounts payable team. You'll be doing a lot of data entry, accurately and completely entering invoice and payment information into their ledger system, ensuring proper approvals and coding in accordance with their budgeting and charts of accounts. You'll process invoices by receiving, reviewing, and verifying the vendor invoices are accurate, in compliance with the policies, and have any supporting documentation needed attached. You'll do expense report processing as well, and you'll do any vendor communication. You'll maintain that communication line with the vendors regarding any invoice errors, discrepancies, payment statuses, and everything like that. Just making sure that new vendors are set up in the system correctly, establishing those vendor accounts in the system, collecting their W-9s, things like that. Now, while they don't say they actually require a degree, they do highly prefer a bachelor degree in accounting, finance, or some kind of related financial field. Someone who has strong knowledge of accounts payables, principles, someone who can work those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Excel. You got to have great attention to detail and great organizational skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.